Hey there guys, so in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Hinge pricing plans, the free versus paid ones, and what you can actually expect. Now, I'm going to be really honest, the most important thing is that if you are not getting any profile like matches, right, that like nothing even on the kind of like the free account, then the kind of like paying is not going to help. What you need to learn is how to get a better profile. Okay, it's very important. So the next thing is also the time saving. So the paid tiers are mostly valued by power users in major cities like New York, London, for example, and where you can filter through hundreds of profiles quickly using advanced deal breakers. Primarily, you can have like the unlimited likes here for Hinge Plus, HingeX, view all incoming likes at once, advanced filtering preferences, primarily like this is important. And for the HingeX, you can have more for the like skip the line, priority likes, enhanced recommendations. But the pricing for Hinge is insane, like insane. And also, the priority likes are very beneficial to avoid being buried in the popular women's query. Women often find the free version sufficient unless they are like overwhelmed by likes and need view all feature. So primarily, like if you're a man, like it's primarily like the targeted on men, the dating apps. And I feel sorry in a way, you know, it's like people didn't need these things in the past. And why it's like it's such a wild world right now that you have to like use actually apps to connect with others, while actually like because no one is actually like meeting in real life much. And yeah, it's a pity. So it's still like it's worth it to actually like upgrade, but actually like if you're actually getting the messages and likes, you know, so that's very important. And yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.